If you've ever installed a full dado stack on your table saw, you've probably noticed something. There aren't many threads left for the arbor nut. And if you've ever changed blades, chances are you've dropped this little nut into the bottom of your cabinet at least once. They're small frustrations, but they all come from the same outdated design. Most table saws still use a separate flange and arbor nut. Every blade change means removing two individual pieces, keeping track of two individual pieces, and hopefully not dropping one where it's impossible to reach. But inconvenience isn't the biggest problem. When you install a wide dado stack, those two parts take up valuable space on the arbor. That leaves fewer threads available for the arbor nut to grab onto. The wider the stack, the less thread engagement you have. While the factory system works as designed, there's a smarter way to use every bit of available arbor length. That's exactly why Infinity Tools designed the SuperNut Arbor Nut. Instead of two separate pieces, the flange and nut are permanently combined into one compact component. Nothing to drop, nothing to lose, nothing to assemble. And because the threads extend completely through the flange, you're able to maximize thread engagement, even with wide dado stacks. Instead of wasting arbor length, you're putting it to work. Blade changes become faster, because you're handling a single part instead of two. Installation is familiar because it still uses your saw's original 1 1/16 inch arbor wrench. The compact 3/4 inch profile also creates additional clearance beneath the throat plate. That means a full-width dado stack can tilt all the way to 45 degrees at full blade height without contacting the insert. It's compatible with table saws using a standard 5/8 inch 12 TPI Acme threaded arbor, including SawStop and most full-size cabinet saws. Right-hand and left-hand thread models are available, so there's a version for many popular saws. The best shop upgrades aren't always the biggest. Sometimes they're the ones that solve a problem you've simply learned to live with. The Infinity Tools SuperNut eliminates loose hardware, maximizes thread engagement for full dado stacks, and makes every blade change just a little easier. It's a simple improvement that you'll appreciate every time you use your table saw. To learn more or to find the correct version for your saw, visit infinitytools.com. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more woodworking tips and product reviews, and hit that notification bell icon so you never miss out whenever a new video drops.